Teachers, may learners po ba kayo who seem to lose confidence, hesitate to participate, or give up more quickly during remediation? Today, we'll talk about social emotional learning or SEL for remediation. When we think about remediation, we often think of content gaps. Kasali po rito yung below grade reading proficiency, developing math fluency, or missed competencies. However, supporting struggling learners is not only about academic catch-up. It's also about rebuilding confidence, restoring motivation, and helping them feel that they belong in the classroom once again. Research shows that academic recovery is strongest when paired with social and emotional development. Ano nga po ba ang social emotional learning? Skills that support how students approach tasks and challenges. Kasali po dito ang pag-manage ng emotions, sustaining effort, and staying engaged with schoolwork. These capacities influence how learners respond to instruction and deal with difficulty. But why does this matter specifically in remediation? Remediation is often treated as content catch-up alone. However, evidence shows that when support focuses only on academic skills, progress may remain limited. Kailangan po ng mga bata ng capacity to focus attention, regulate emotions, and persist through challenging tasks. Students need all of these because without them, even if instruction is strong, improvement will really not be felt. Kaya po kailangan natin paigtingin ang SEL ng ating mga mag-aaral sa remediation. Teachers, we invite you to learn more about this and to revisit the ARAL Series Masterclass on Social Emotional Learning for Remediation. Ngayon po, ang ating masterclass ay mayroon ng toolkit na kasama ang ating webinar replays, expert slide presentations, lab guides, printable worksheets, and other classroom-ready resources. These materials are designed to help you integrate SEL into your remediation strategies step by step. Take time to study the resources, reflect on your practice, and apply the strategies in your classroom. You may also share these ideas with fellow teachers through your LAC sessions. Together, let's make remediation a space where learners rebuild confidence, stay motivated, and succeed.